Now that the 79 is fixed, we can actually go out on adventures again, and it's been a little while since we've actually been on just an adventure. I normally don't film these little adventures when we just take the kids out for a day or something, but today you're getting an exception. I'm gonna film it. We're gonna go head out to Tidbinbilla Ranges and just do a couple little walks and stuff with the kids just to get them out of the house, because that's what we like to do, beat sitting at home. But there's an exception. We're not gonna take the conventional way to get there. We're gonna take a little bit of an extreme route. So I guess you guys are gonna have to stick around and find out how we make our way out to Tidbinbilla Ranges. Are you guys excited?
And see Dad?
Yeah, you can see me. And I'm sure we can see Mum, maybe.
We can't see Mom.
Oh, we can't see her on this screen. Oh, there she is.
Yeah! Can you see my teddy bear?
Yeah, probably.
Wow. That's me.
Tidbinbilla.
That's Mom.
Okay.
Mommy.
I think I can see our first obstacle coming up. What are we gonna do here?
Bumble?
I don't know. We'll have a look. I'll have to get out and pick a good line here. Yeah, right. How are we gonna tackle this one? I better lock these hubs in to start with. All right, we're locked in.
You look like you're as tall as Birdo.
Yeah, I feel about as tall as Birdo right now. This is a giant washout, as you can see. And I don't know how we're gonna tackle this one yet. I'm actually pretty concerned about it. So I'm gonna sit here and do some procrastinating to work out exactly which line I'm gonna take. Disregard that. Clip that bit out, Gemma. Don't put that in. Have to have a full drive to be out here. I cannot stress how important that is. You need to own a full drive. Well, we thought the last section was pretty gnarly. This is getting pretty hectic through here. I don't know if we're going to make it to this Tidbinbilla Ranges. This is actually pretty gnarly. I'm going to see how far we can push this car through here. I'm a little bit concerned and I'm a little bit worried. If it gets any worse than this, I'm going to have to get the kids out of the car while I do these, because this is getting pretty hectic. All right, everyone put their seatbelts on.
I got my seatbelt on.
Oh, I can't put mine on. Oh!
What?
Dad nearly died. Wow!
Wow!
We've hit our next big obstacle, and it appears that we have a tree down across the track. I might try and see if I can straddle this side, because if I can get up and over that, then I should be okay. All right, let's hope for the best here. Hopefully we don't do any damage.
Yeah.
What are we going to do about this tree, guys?
We gotta go left and right.
Left and right, is that right?
Yeah.
All right, let's try left and right. Ready? Left. Whoa!
Right?
Right. What are you doing, mate? Trying to help the car. With your strong hand? Oh, shit. Whoa! Okay, we just caught up with a couple of the boys actually doing some wheeling out here on a little section. Not many people drive. It's very crossed up and you can get stuck in there. They're just having a little play around in there, and we're going to keep on going on to Tidbinbilla Ranges. All right, this is the third and final obstacle. I am 110% probably going to get the kids out of the car for this, because this is pretty gnarly.
Not probably.
I will be getting the kids out for this obstacle because this is a wild obstacle. Have a little look at the size of that rock. That is huge. I'm kind of scared. I'm actually terrified. Like, I'm shaking at the knees right now. Before I drive this, I might just go for a little wander. I may need to go to the toilet. Oh God, all right. I feel a little bit more confident now. Oh, no, I don't know. It actually looks just as bad again. We might have to turn around and go home. Go stand with Mum. Ready, set, go stand with Mum. Dad's gonna have to tackle this obstacle.
Oh, oh.
They got a tree. Daddy, are you okay?
No.
Daddy, are you okay? No, not okay.
Oh my God!
Dad. Dad.
Lucky I got my little mascots out there.
Really? You can do this!
I can do this?
Yeah!
You reckon I can do it?
You can do this!
Stay there, or you'll fall over. Thanks for the support, guys.
Good, good.
Thanks, Millie.
Thank you.
Thanks, Josh. Was that scary?
Why was that actually sketchy though?
We're gonna go up here, Mum. Alright. Well, look at the emu! Quick, Mum. See the emu, guys?
Yeah.
There's an emu.
Why is he going there?
Why?
Why is he going there?
That's his home.
That's his home. That's where he lives.
Yeah, there's snakes in there.
There is snakes in there, yeah, but he's okay.
Does he eat snakes?
We're gonna have to
Dinosaur?
smack it into third or fourth gear here and do a bit of rally packing. Finally made it here after that very eventful morning of full driving. It cost $15 per car, doesn't matter the amount of people, which is great. I got a little map here to take us to the right spots. So I asked the rangers about the hot tips and they gave me a few spots to go to. Between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock, they actually have a feeding on for the koalas. So we'll go there between that. It's 12:48 at the moment, so we've still got quite a bit. Closes at 8 o'clock, just in case anyone's wondering. There was a gate just there that said closed at 8 o'clock. How's your lunch, guys?
Yum.
We're walking into the sanctuary. So there's an actual sanctuary. It's like a full-on gated off area if you look at the size of these fences here. So no,
Electric.
yeah, electric and no predators can get in. So I'm interested to see what animals they actually have in here. But we're just taking the kids for a walk, letting them burn themselves out a little bit so they can have a bit of fun. So let's see what we can find. Let's actually see how many animals we can tick off the list. So we're going to tick off as many as we can on this list. Yep, open that door. Say, there you go, Mum.
It says, caution, we live in this area.
There's snakes in this area. I see a nice rock, I could drive one. I like that. Everywhere I go now is like, I see rocks and I'm like, I could drive on that. We could make a cool track out of that. Come on. They're nearly as big as your head, Moozy. Look at the size of them compared to your head. See any mushrooms on there?
No.
No.
Alright, keep going then.
Very unfortunate. There's no mushrooms on the animal list. Damn it. Meant to be platypus over there, but we did not see any. So we'll keep on keeping on. Getting that POV, Josh. How's the POV look? Got Josh getting the POV. Get that POV, Josh. How's it going? Is it look good?
Yep.
How we going, Supplement River? Go.
Before lava. Oh, I made it! Good! Yeah.
We'll see how that footage turned out. Hey, Mum. Cross the river, Mum.
Mum, it's full lava. Watch out, Mum. Good, Dad, you go.
All right.
What is it?
Whoa.
How's the footage going?
Ah!
Go that way.
I feel close.
That's a nice rock. Isn't that right, Gemma? That's a good looking rock. I like rocks. What's in there, Josh? What did you see?
There's nothing.
Okay, well let's go then. This ant on the list, we're going to call it the bull ant. Where did he go? There he is. That's 1 point. You don't want one of those suckers biting you, they hurt.
See the lizard? Here, on that rock. Can you see him?
Look, on the walk.
Oh, he's walking.
And look.
Can you see him?
Look. Uh-huh.
Hi.
I want to be different.
How are you?
Uh-oh, it's off.
Reports are in, guys, from Joshua. Nothing on the list.
Yoo-hoo!
Point it forward. You can have a go in a minute.
Hey, look. I can see you. Hold it. No, me. You see you? I want to hold it.
In a second. Yeah, veterinarian. Very good. That's inside this park.
Where's the bathroom?
It's not a bathroom, Millie. It's a veterinarian. Correction.
Wait for me first.
There is a bathroom. There's a nice little bridge over here that you can cross. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty well signposted too. And it makes a very easy walk for the kids. So if you're ever in Canberra and you got kids, or you're just a grown-up kid like ourselves, this is a great place to come and just explore for a day. At least you're seeing some cool sights and some...
Getting your steps in.
Yeah, you get your step count in and you're seeing beautiful nature.
And we're going to go see the koalas now.
Yeah, we'll go see koalas hopefully. Hopefully we can start ticking some animals off this list because we're not doing very good. We are not doing very good, are we, kids?
No, it's a duck.
Is it a duck?
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a weird duck. No, it's a platypus. Look at its tail.
No, it's...
No. It's a duck that has a tail like a platypus? What the hell is this thing?
Look at him.
Oh, it's a musk duck. It's on the list, guys. We're doing points. Look. Millie.
Daddy, you filming him up close? It is on the list.
Oh! It's my turn. Hey! Oh, that was him.
Yep, there he is.
That was him.
You see the turtles, guys?
Yep, it's on the list.
Very good, buddy. So I was just talking to someone else that was in here and he was mentioning about that musk duck. So he's a male and he's the only one that's in here. He can't fly. And he was saying they actually put on a really nice display when they're in mating season with their tail. So they slap the water to actually impress the females. But yeah, there is only the one in here at the moment because the rest of them can fly and he can't. So that's why he's stuck in here, but he's got a pretty good place to live. Come here, Mum. Probably be seeing him better. Sounds like there's a waterway or something up here. Come on, guys. Up here. Yeah, I reckon there's some water up here. Can you hear it? Come in. Oh, they went in. Just a sec, Moo. Where is he on your list? Koala? How many points do you get for him?
Got 1.
1 point for them. Do we get 1 point for each of them, Josh? We left the eucalyptus walk now, and I don't know if you guys seen, but that koala was high as a motherfucking kite. That thing was ready to pass out. We're now going to be doing a little walk, 500 metre loop. The last thing we're going to do, 15-minute walk, grade 2 to Hanging Rock. If this isn't a rock that's hanging somewhere, I'm going to be very, very disappointed. So let's walk. Keep your eyes open for those animals, guys. Make sure we see them for our list. We're going to count them after this. Oh, I see why it's called Hanging Rock.
Let Dad look.
Dad!
Whoa. You see it? go. Have a look. Whoa. Come on, little mountain goats. Come on, down we go. We've got to walk around and have a look at the other side, because that's a big rock. What do you reckon, Josh? Come on, kitties. Let's go. Get out from under the rock. Look at the size of it above your head. Stay there, Moo. Stop, stop, stay there. There's a little snake here. We seen a little snake?
Yep.
But
Dad,
it wasn't quite...
You didn't talk about that.
Oh, sorry. We just seen a little snake. It was literally like that big. And it just like slithered off into the bush.
We didn't get to film it.
I tried to film it, but he wasn't a red belly. I don't know what he was tiny.
Looks like a
so
little
a
brown.
red belly or a snake on here is 8 points. So how about we go with 4 points because we seen a little one.
We seen a baby.
Is that okay?
No.
What do you reckon? Then we seen an emu, but we seen a wild emu out in the actual bush.
Yeah, but we still seen him.
Yeah, but he's on the way here, so I'm thinking of doubling these points because that's even more of a good sight. So we'll get 10 points for emu. He's normally worth 5, but because we seen him on the full drive track to get here, we can have 10 points.
That's spectacular for
Magpie?
driving.
I don't believe anyone's pointed out a magpie
We
today.
didn't see him.
The long-necked turtle.
We did see turtles.
Seen turtles. We seen lots of turtles. You remember seeing the turtle?
Yeah.
Alright, so we get a long-necked turtle. That's 5 points. Did we see one of these guys, a koala?
Yeah. We see them.
Okay, we seen them. That musk duck.
Yep.
We seen him. Hold up, I'm not done. We seen an ant. We didn't see anything
We've
else.
seen
We
kangaroos.
see this
Oh, we seen a kangaroo and a wallaby. We'll put them.
Dad.
Alright, so we seen lots of animals.
We see baby kangaroo.
But we didn't see a lyrebird, that's
No.
unfortunate. 4, 14, 15, 20, 21, 23, 25 points. We've seen 25
Out
points
of
worth
what?
things. Look, it's probably like 25 out of 50. So just to reiterate, if you want to come to Tidbinbilla, fuck's sake, Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve, done. Ticked off the list. Take 57.3 million and one. Let's do this. We are going to wrap that episode up there, guys. It was a nice little day out, and don't forget, it was a hectic four-wheel drive to get here. You have to have these giant tyres and a four-wheel drive to be able to get yourself out to here. But the scenery around here... Don't look at that car. Do not look at that car. Pan away. It has to be four-wheel drive. There is no bitumen at all. There is definitely not some that's like 15 metres away over there. I hope you guys have enjoyed that one, and I will catch you on the next one. Alright. I'm back to tell you that you do not need a four-wheel drive to do what we did today. You can do it in two-wheel drive in any other car, just like this one. But we thought, you know what? We own a four-wheel drive. We need a good excuse to go out, and that's our excuse. If we've got a four-wheel drive, we're going to make a four-wheel driving track to get to our destination. Hope you guys have enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you guys on the next.